Hey, let me show you something real quick. So this is one of the ways that we ensure that our clients have a quality project, and most importantly, a quality home to move into. And so what we have here is we don't live in a perfect world, right? And this is construction. Things happen. And so when things happen, it's important that they get addressed. And so one of the quality things that we do is how we stamp our projects is making sure that we address our clients' touch-ups. And so we got our cabinets installed, we got our trim installed, and we have a few dings in the wall, right? And so now what we do in our quality control process, one of the steps in our quality control process is kind of going through the entire project and kind of figuring out where we have imperfections, where we have dings at, where the circles are. We kind of circle some of the dings, and some of the scratches we've highlighted with marks here. And so we're going to go through here, we're going to address all of our touch-ups, and we're going to have that final coat of paint. And so this is one of the ways that we ensure that you have a quality project to move into, a quality home to move into, and something that you can be proud of, but more importantly, something that we can be proud of too as well, because we want to make sure that our projects are the best they can be when our clients are moving into them. And so if you're in the Indianapolis area and you want a contractor that addresses issues throughout the build, please go to our website right now, www.cliffsconstruction.com. Go to the Get a Quote form, get that form filled out, and we'll be in touch with you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.